In 2016, Hurricane Matthew overwhelmed the facilities here and completely destroyed this section of stream and the adjacent trail at the park. When that happened, the town really knew they had a problem on their hands. The town partnered with LJB Incorporated and Chris Bass Engineering on the solution. The repair design includes two major pieces. One is a system of stone gabions which are used to protect the bank immediately downstream of the outfall. The second part is a natural stream restoration design which includes step pools, rebuilt stream banks to provide stability and reinvigorate natural ecosystem functions. Everything you see along this reach has specifically been designed using a mixture of engineering and natural channel design techniques. What I love best about this project is how accessible it is. Not only is it a stable, functional, ecological project, but it's something that people can see and people can access. And we can bring people here and have them experience streams and nature the way they're supposed to be.